Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to close your 22bet account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar, type in 22bet.com. Once you type it in, you will get to this web page. On this web page, you'll have to log into your account. Now click on this login button. Then enter your login credentials on these boxes. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you have entered your details, click on this login button. Once you log in, what you can do is click on this message icon. Then you reach out to customer care. On this message box, what you can say is I want to close my account. Then click on this send button. Once you send out this message, they will ask you for your personal information and then they will try to verify you. And once you have verified yourself, then your account will be proceed to close. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.